It's really hot outside, but look at the clouds. What even? Gross. Come on, Melbourne, get your shit together. So I'm just gonna go wash up and get ready to do something for today. I don't know what it is, but whatever. We are gonna go get lunch. Stop judging me. I want pancakes, so I'm gonna go get some hot cakes from Macca's. Where's my key? Oh. Where's my key? Let's go. Lunch, 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 lunch. Don't really know what I'm supposed to go out with a friend of mine, but I haven't heard back from her, so we're just waiting to see. It's really, really hot. Like, there's no wind and it's dry and it's just like fucking oven-y. That's how I describe it. Oven-like heat because it's burning. There's lots of clouds in the sky. I suppose that contributes with not scorching my skin because normally it'd be like, ah, fucking hot. But now it's like pretty cool, but there's still no like cool wind. It's like dry wind and you're like suffocating on it. Welcome to Australia. And I'm lazy to walk, so we're taking the tram for like one stop because I'm just so lazy. Is that all I want? I suppose. Blah, blah, blah. But I'm a fatty. Got my food. Currently walking back to the apartment. And it's hard to vlog with no hands in this heat with people judging you from left, right, center, but it's all good. All for Christmas, all for you guys. All 50 of you guys, but it's still worth it. Alright. And we're crossing. We're crossing, we're crossing, we're crossing. Bam. I think I look super cute today. I mean, I just love those shorts. They're so cute. And home. I need air conditioning. It's too hot. Oh my god. Yums. Yums, yum, yum. We're currently on the way to the beach. We're gonna go find Cassandra. She is somewhere over there. I found you.
They probably kept
Rest
that.
in peace, poor Christmas tree.
Built to jump. Oh my god. It's got suspension.
It's like an actual sport, like cheerleading.
It'll be at the Olympics soon.
We are at the beach. I'm in the middle of the road. I missed the tree. It's so cloudy, but it's all right. It's really hot. More like a sand ride. We just left the beach because there were little flies eating our freaking flesh. It was so weird. I don't get what just happened. I know, I don't want it anymore. Welcome to Sleigh.
Yes.
Describe today in one word.
Yeah.
Failure. Buggy. We tried to come up to go swimming and then look how crazy packed it is. What? Sup, mate?
Can I steal a plastic bag?
No. Home now. Can't sit down anywhere because my ass is wet. So, oh wow, freaking Navi or something. Why am I blue? What the hell? I changed the setting on it and it's much better now, but that was so weird. Whoa, look at my... Oh, hi. Hey, John. Just did my hair. So fluffy. It's so orange in the light. Ugh. We're gonna go take a little adventure. To that. Do you see that? Do you see it? What is it? I don't know. Well, let's go. Okay, let's go down. It's just across the road anyways, so it's not too far. I find myself doing the strangest things because of Vlogmas, but gotta keep y'all entertained, you know? I brought a little friend with me. I'm gonna show it to you later. It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket. Things I do for Vlogmas. We're here. Oh my god. See, this is interesting. What the? Oh, it's so pretty. And this is so strange. They have like fake cups and there's actually water in it. What is going on? I feel like I'm in Wonderland. Huh. It has boobs. Okay, cool. Okay. Maybe I am in Wonderland. Huh. This is so pretty though. I really like it. So you know how I said I brought a little friend with me? I did. I brought Groot. Alright, let's sit and talk for a while. Let's sit here. So, did everyone watch the new Guardians trailer? It was so cute. Groot is like literally my life. I absolutely love him. Yeah, I brought my little Groot to come play around in this very strange place. So I think this is NAB, and up here is like all the foods and stuff. Where are we going, Groot? I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot. We are Groot. Oh my god. Look! They have like capsicum, and I'm thinking those are tomatoes. That is so cool. Drink now because the little convenience store was closed, so maybe now it's open. Bye, bunny. Creepy. All right, we're back home, and I guess we'll end the vlog here. My little friend and I want to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I am Groot. I'm pretty sure he'll say that.